I'm impressed with the big boy over here. I'm looking forward to try it with the concrete mix. We got a few products, DOT concrete mix and Portamix Plus, that we could be using on a big machine like that. My name is Rafael. I'm the rep from Rapid Set. They manufacture super fast setting cement. Well, when I became a supply yard rep in the manufacturer, we started learning how to use the self-leveling materials. And the best way to mix it, we find out that was this guy. I will say Hippo mixer, Pelican cart combined, it makes up to 5 guys. I'm not saying cutting the job for the 5 guys, it just makes it easier. You get bigger jobs with a shorter time and then get it done and go to the next job. So these guys will help you to make it easier. Having the right tools, the right way to do it, it definitely helps a lot. And Hippo Mixer does it. I mean, we represent Rapid Set, but alone is the whole system that we show the customer how to use. So when we talk about the Hippo Mixer and the Pelican cart, we get to mix up to 50 bags in an hour just by setting up a mix station, having the Pelican cart next to it and bring the material back and forth, especially when it's a big job like 20,000 square feet or something like that. I love the design. I love the look. Pretty clean, pretty easy to use. And then you get to know the machine and it's just powerful. The cone shape makes it easier or better once you start mixing it. It just get familiar pretty quick because it works really good. So Hippo Mixer is just the best way to keep it clean, keep the dust down, and mix enough bags to keep that job going.